exclusive video for the official patrons. Hope you're doing well. Right, just give you a heads up on future plans for the channel. I'm gonna experiment with some watch repairs, so I can just do some new things on the channel to attract new audiences and more people, more subscribers and all that. Something I want to learn anyway. So I've just ordered this. I won it in an auction, a Japanese auction. Didn't spend a lot. It's a Seiko, it's a chronograph. I can use my jeweller's skills and tools to polish up the bracelet, so that's a video. Take a few bits off. It's chronograph, it's going to be really complicated inside. I don't really want to go too deep into it, but hopefully I can get it fixed up and working. It'll be a nice watch, and I may put it back up for sale. Perhaps make some money. I don't know. Let's try some things like that on the channel. So that's something I'm looking forward to getting into. Seiko is on my mind as being like a good watch. I just feel like I naturally like Seiko, and I think it's because my dad gave me this when I was like 14, 15. Seiko, it's an SQ Sports 100. This is like a 1980s Seiko. I used to wear this all the time as a kid, like cycling, skateboarding, BMXing, just falling off, crashing all the time. And I still wear it now. It's got sentimental value, and I do actually genuinely like the design of it. Obviously, it's not the original strap. I've noticed the battery stopped working, so I'm going to change the battery, so that's a quick video we can do straight away on that one. I may try and find online an original bracelet to get it back to standard, how it was. But yeah, I like the design, and it served me well. So I like Seiko, I think, from this one. And yeah, the new ones, I like the quality, yeah, because they're a nice design. The quality is good. I mean, you can get some proper high quality ones. There's Grand Seiko, like the sort of posh brand, like what Lexus is to Toyota. Same people making it, but they're putting all the expensive high quality parts on it. Yeah, I like them. Sapphire crystal, you can get ceramic bezels on it. This one's aluminium, I think. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to trying to take that apart. I've ordered like a watchmaker's kit off Amazon, still waiting for that to arrive. So looking forward to do some things. This is my Oris, just to tell you about this watch. This was a gift from my boss when I worked in London, 2009 I think. I didn't know about Oris before I got given this, but I really like design. The quality, again, it's quite good quality. It's proper Swiss automatic movement in there. And yeah, it served me well. I've been wearing it all the time. It's to cycle everywhere in London. And when you're cycling, the watch is going on your wrist all the time, so it's getting shaken about. It's had a big knock. I fell off my bike going across Old Street roundabout, which was really dangerous. Don't know what happened. I was just cycling along, going quite fast because I want to get off that busy roundabout. And all of a sudden I was just upside down, tumbling across the road. Fortunately, there was enough distance behind me with the bus, so the bus managed to stop without flattening me. Another cyclist stopped, and he was like, "Bloody hell, mate, you all right?" It's like, I don't know what happened, but I banged my knees up on my elbow, smashed my watch up. My rucksack was torn, like I properly hit the ground and tumbled. Yeah, so that was fun. Also, from that, I got claim to fame. Yeah, I was the first person to smash this edge, ceramic edge. I was obviously getting new parts from Oris in the UK, smashed the glass, and that was ceramic. I was the first person in the UK to break one. But yeah, this watch has served me really well, and I still wear it all the time. Again, I like it. I like the design, nice quality, but not flashy. I don't worry about it. I don't worry about wearing it or getting scratches here and there. It's just a good, usable quality watch. And I think they're priced. I don't know what they cost nowadays, but I imagine they're between £1,000 and £2,000 to buy one new. And you're sort of paying for the quality that it is. Like a lot of watch brands, or just anything in like fashion or anything really, brands just have so much power to charge more than things are worth. So Oris doesn't really have that, I don't think. It doesn't have that status as a brand, so you are paying a more fair price for what you get. Like Tag comes to mind. I don't think Tag watches are very nice quality at all, and they seem to cost a lot more than they're worth, I think. But yeah, Oris is a good watch. If you've got like £1,000 to spend, or even two, look at Oris, because they're nice design and nice quality. So yeah, also one more. I got this one. I bought this off eBay ages ago. I haven't got around to do anything with it yet. This is a Vostok Commandersky or something. It's a Russian watch. Really cheap. All parts are really replaceable. They still make them new. They're worth nothing really on secondhand. But I can get experience with polishing it up, changing the glass, changing the dial, change the battery in it, just look around, just get working on different watches and understanding how they all put together. And then also with this one, I bought ages ago, well, a couple of months ago, this stuff. This is black ceramic coating. So I can use this watch in a video, another video idea I have. I'm going to show you how to make your own plating machine. You need obviously some solutions, cleaning solutions like rhodium plate or whatever you're doing, and 12 volt car battery charger. And I Shane to make a plating machine. It worked really well. So I'm going to polish this up and then test this out. We'll try and plate it black, see how that works out. So yeah, a few sort of fun things I'm looking forward to get into in the future.